Okay, students, let us start. Bache, before starting, let me tell you the feedback of your test, revision test 1. बच्चे साइकिल्स जितनी प्रेपरेशन हमने करी है, जितनी प्रेपरेशन करी है वो रिजल्ट नहीं आया. बहुत बच्चों के साइकिल्स गलत है, ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन बोथ. इट मींस आप लोगों ने ध्यान ही नहीं दिया. यू आर मिक्सिंग ऑक्सीजन एंड कार्बन साइकिल बोथ. दिस इज रॉन्ग. कम फॉरवर्ड, आगे आ जाओ. आप इस बेंच पे आ जाओ, चाहे उधर चले जाओ, पीछे नहीं बैठना. आगे बैठो. उधर विल द बोर्ड बी विजिबल. चलिए आगे बैठा कीजिए, ठीक है. पीछे नहीं बैठना आपने. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लुक फॉरवर्ड. लेट अस स्टार्ट. लेसन 9 आई गेस आपको स्टार्ट करवाया था कल कनिका मैम ने. कितना हो गया था हमारा? क्या टॉपिक कवर हुआ है? हाँ, ओके. करेक्टरिस्टिक्स हो गए लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म के. लेट अस स्टार्ट द चैप्टर. ओके, okay students, let us start with the revision. Students, you see so many things around yourself. Some things are living and some are non-living. How can you say that this thing is living and how can you say that that is non-living? There are certain characteristics that differentiate living from non-living. शुभ, यहाँ पे कुछ characteristics हैं जिनसे लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग दोनों सेपरेट किए जा सकते हैं. What are these characteristics? कौन से characteristics है ये? Can anybody tell? Which characteristics will separate living and non-living? Drishti?
Cellular structure.
Number 1.
Need.
Wait, number 1 is cellular structure. Then
Need food.
need food.
Food.
Okay. Then
Growth. Growth.
then
Respiration.
respiration,
Excretion.
excretion, then
Response to stimulus.
response to stimuli, then
Movement.
movement, then
Reproduction.
these are basically the 8 characteristics on the basis of which we can separate out, we can distinguish living and non-living. Is that clear? So let us discuss all these characteristics one by one. First is cellular structure. What is the meaning of cellular structure? Cellular structure means how the body is made, right? How is their cellular structure? How cells are arranged? So, in case of cellular structure, you know all the living beings are made up of cells, right? In some cases, आप पीछे बैठ गए हो. In some cases, there is only one cell. Organism's body is made up of only one cell. Such organisms are known as unicellular organisms. On the other hand, in some organisms, body is made of more than two cells or two cells. They are known as multicellular. Right? What are unicellular organisms? Organisms which are made up of one cell. What are unicellular? Speak out. Organisms that are made of only one cell. What are multicellular? That are made of two or more than two cells. Right? Example of unicellular is amoeba paramecium. Right? In case of multicellular, we human beings, animals, trees, they are multicellular. Right? Is that clear? Huh? Some are unicellular bacteria. Right? They are single-celled. Okay, students, then how the body functions are performed in case of unicellular organisms? That one single cell, it performs all the body functions. If that one cell dies, the organism dies. Right? In case of multicellular organisms, different cells are performing different types of functions. If one or two cells they die, the organism does not die. Clear? In case of ये तो था living का. In case of non-living things, what happen is body is not made up of cells. There is no cellular structure. So जिन organisms का कोई cellular structure नहीं है, they are non-living. Like this table, this dais, this PC, are they made up of cells? No. So there is no cellular structure, so they are non-living. Right? Hopefully cellular structure is clear to all. Is that clear? आवाज नहीं आ रही? Now next, need food. बच्चे, all the living organisms need food. Why do we need food? We need food to get energy. And why do we need energy? We need energy to do every work. खाना है, पीना है, उठना है, बैठना है, खेलना है, सोना है. उसके लिए भी we need energy. And from where do we get this energy? From the food we eat. Right? So, all living things, they need food. Right? Now, on the other hand, non-living things, they do not need any food because non-living things do not move at all. इन्होंने खाना पीना सोना नहीं है. Right? इनको तो हम पुश करेंगे तो ये मूव करेंगे. Otherwise, they do not need any kind of energy, so they do not need any food. Right? Now the question arises, from where do living organisms get food? कहाँ से मिलता है उनको food? Animals, they get the food from plants. From where do we get food? Animals, they get the food from plants, and plants, they make their own food with the help of photosynthesis. Plants, they make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Is that clear? What is photosynthesis? By which green plants make their own food with the help of air, water, sunlight. Chlorophyll is present in it. Along with food, oxygen is released in the atmosphere. Is that clear to all? ये characteristic clear हो गया. Third is growth. Every living organism show growth, right? For example, little puppies you have seen. After a few days, they grow into a dog, right? In the same way, when you were born, you were very small. After some years, you are this much now. After few more years, you will grow up to adults, right? So every living organism, it grows. Even plants, they grow. When the plant, it comes out, it is very small. Later, it grows up to a tree, right? Although every living thing grows, but the pattern of growth is different in case of different living organisms, right? Every living organism has certain stage of life cycle. कैसे उनका लाइफ मूव करती है, कौन सी स्टेजेस आती हैं, इट इज डिफरेंट फॉर डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनिजम्स एंड दैट इज नोन एज लाइफ साइकिल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, you had done the life cycle of cockroach in your previous classes. Cockroach, it produces eggs, right? From eggs, a nymph is produced, which is a small cockroach. It do not have wings to fly. It cannot reproduce. Then it grows and matures and become the adult cockroach. In the same way, when you were born, you were very small. Then you grow into a small child, then to a teenager, then to adult, and then to old man. These are different stages. Likewise, butterfly also has different stages. Butterfly, it lays eggs. From these eggs, what comes out? Caterpillar. Then it goes to the resting stage, cocoon stage, right? It makes its cocoon. Then after resting, it comes out and becomes a butterfly again. This is life cycle. One more term is there, that is lifespan. What is lifespan? What is lifespan? It is the time period between the birth and death of an organism. किसी भी ऑर्गेनिज्म का बर्थ हुआ, उस पीरियड से लेके उसकी डेथ तक, द टाइम पीरियड, दैट इज नोन एज लाइफ स्पैन. इट इज डिफरेंट फॉर एवरी ऑर्गेनिज्म. Some organisms may survive for few seconds in this world, to some organisms who survive for so many years, right? In case of humans, average lifespan is 65 years. Average means maximum people live up to this age, right? Yes, Rishti?
मैम मैंने भी उसकी डेफिनेशन ही बोलनी थी.
हाँ जी. Any problem? हाँ. Plants, don't you know? पहला हमने करा. They are made of cells. So they are living. They need food. They show growth. They respire. They excrete. They respond to stimuli. Response to stimuli का मतलब नहीं पता. स्टिमुलाई होता है कोई भी चेंज होना, और रिस्पॉन्स होता है उसका रिजल्ट, राइट? तुम्हारी आंखों में तेज रोशनी पड़ रही है, तुम क्या करोगे? आंखें बंद करोगे जोर से. दिस इज रिस्पॉन्स टू स्टिमुलाई. तो प्लांट्स शो करते हैं रिस्पॉन्स टू स्टिमुलाई. यस. मूवमेंट शो करते हैं. व्हाई? सनफ्लावर, इट टर्न्स इट्स हेड. Every plant show movement. Root grow downward, shoot grow upward. This is movement. They reproduce. Why no? हमने फ्लावर नहीं करा. रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन्स किसके हैं? वेजिटेटिव रिप्रोडक्शन नहीं करी. फ्रॉम स्टेम, फ्रॉम रूट, फ्रॉम लीफ, न्यू प्लांट्स आर प्रोड्यूस्ड. तो रिप्रोडक्शन शो नहीं करते. नाउ टेल मी, प्लांट्स आर लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग? लिविंग. दैट्स इट. All the characteristics are fulfilled by plants, so they are also considered as living. Coming to respiration, what is the meaning of respiration? Raise your hand. Hurry up, hurry up. Yes, Himalaya. No, breathing and respiration are entirely different terms. This is breathing. There is difference in respiration and breathing. ये मैंने तब भी बताया था. This is entirely different process than respiration. बच्चे लिख लो, respiration is breakdown of food. क्या है respiration? It is breakdown of food in the presence of oxygen to release energy and carbon dioxide, and this takes place in the cells, right? कहाँ हो रही है respiration? ये breakdown कहाँ हो रहा है? कुछ नहीं लिखना. कहाँ हो रही है breakdown? In the cells. Energy तुम्हें कैसे मिल रही है? Breakdown of food with the help of oxygen. क्या है respiration? Food plus oxygen. उसका result क्या होता है? Energy plus carbon dioxide. This is respiration. अब respiration में एक छोटा सा प्रोसेस है breathing. Breathing क्या है? Oxygen लेना और carbon dioxide exhale करना. And this breathing it takes place at organ level. हमारे सिर्फ organs involved हैं, लेकिन breakdown cells में हो रही है. Is that clear? Is that clear? So there is difference in breathing and respiration. Breathing is a physical process जो सिर्फ ऊपर ऊपर हो रही है. Inhaling and exhaling. Respiration is a chemical process. ये chemical reaction हो रहा है. Is that clear? ये एक छोटी सी बात है. Never say respiration is breathing. Totally wrong. क्या है respiration? Breakdown of food with the help of oxygen to release energy and carbon dioxide. It is a chemical process, right, that takes place at cellular level. Is that clear? Every living organism हमने पहले करा need energy. So it means every living organism is undergoing respiration. Or breathing is one of the processes involved in respiration, necessary for respiration. अगर ऑक्सीजन नहीं होगी, breakdown of food नहीं होगा. Is that clear to all? Is the difference clear? So respiration takes place in all the living organisms. As we did, respiration breakdown of food तो होना ही है. But to take in oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide, different organs are there for breathing in different organisms. Like in human beings, we have lungs where exchange takes place. In plants, exchange takes place through stomata. In some other organisms, there are other organs like earthworms, they have moist skin. Right? Fish have gills. Okay. Then frogs have moist skin when they are in water and lungs when they are on land. So for breathing, they have different organs, but respiration is taking place in their cells. Is that clear? इतना clear है सबको? आगे बढ़े. Next, excretion. What is the meaning of excretion? क्या होती है excretion? बस एक ही बच्चे को पता है, हिमालय को, और किसी को कुछ नहीं आता. What is excretion? Those who are sitting here. हाँ जी, अर्शिया. It is the removal of waste products from the body of organism. Excretion is very much necessary, right? Why excretion is necessary? Because if excretion will not take place, all the waste products will get accumulated in the body and they become poisonous, affecting your health, right? So their excretion is absolutely important. So बच्चे, like respiration has different or breathing has different organs. For excretion also there are different organs in different organisms. For example, in humans we have lungs to excrete out carbon dioxide. We have skin through which we sweat out. We have kidneys through which we pass out the urine. In it there are undigested waste. Blood is filtered. In kidneys what happens? Blood is filtered. Right? और जो वो वेस्ट है वो यूरिन की फॉर्म में इट इज पास्ड आउट. In the same way, animals, they also excrete. Plants also, they excrete in the form of gum, resin, water vapor, latex. The waste products are removed from the body. Right? Next आ गया जी, after excretion, response to stimuli. What is the meaning of response to stimuli? नहीं पता. रिस्पॉन्स होता है रिएक्शन. स्टिमुलाई होता है एनी चेंज इन द सराउंडिंग. राइट? सराउंडिंग में कोई भी चेंज होना, दिस इज स्टिमुलाई. और उसका रिएक्शन क्या होगा? ठंड हो गई, ठंड हो गई, आपने स्वेटर पहन ली. सो दिस इज रिस्पॉन्स टू स्टिमुलाई. राइट? आपको एक थप्पड़ मारा मैम ने, कोना आ गया, दिस इज अगेन रिस्पॉन्स टू स्टिमुलाई. राइट? इज दैट क्लियर? सोए पड़े हो, ऊपर से हमने ब्लैंकेट खींच ली, अचानक से ठंड लगी, आप क्या करते हो? बॉडी को इकट्ठा कर लेते हो एकदम से. दिस इज ऑल्सो रिस्पॉन्स टू स्टिमुलाई. एनी चेंज इन योर एनवायरमेंट, उसका क्या रिएक्शन है? एवरी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म विल रिस्पॉन्ड टू स्टिमुलाई. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एक छोटी सी एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ. रात के समय लाइट्स ऑफ कर देते हो, आवाजें आती रहती है कीड़ों मकोड़ों की. जैसे ही लाइट ऑन करते हो, सारे कॉकरोच भाग जाते हैं इधर उधर, है ना. विद इन फ्यू सेकेंड्स यू फाइंड नो कॉकरोच इन योर किचन. पर ये आए कहाँ से थे? दे वर हाइडिंग. एज सून एज यू स्विच ऑन द लाइट, दे स्टार्ट रनिंग. अभी आपने मारना भी नहीं है उनको. दिस इज देयर रिस्पॉन्स टू स्टिमुलाई. उनका इन्वायरमेंट चेंज हुआ, they immediately respond by running here and there. Right? Is that clear to all? और कोई एग्जांपल? आप क्या करते हो? एक मक्खी बैठी हुई है, ठीक है, उसके पास हाथ लेके जाते हो, आपके मारने से पहले ही वो उड़ जाती है. दिस इज ऑल्सो रिस्पॉन्स टू स्टिमुलाई. शी सेंस दैट. राइट? Every living organism is respond to stimuli. Plants, you touch my mosa plant, it folds its leaves. Why? It is response to stimuli. Right? Certain plants, they droop themselves. बिल्कुल गिर जाते हैं, उनको हाथ लगाते हो तो. Again, it is response to stimulus. Right? Is that clear? आपने गरम प्रेस को हाथ लगा लिया, immediately you pull your hand back. This is response to stimulus. Jasmine, any doubt? नहीं है? चलिए, किसी का कोई डाउट है तो पूछ लो बेटा, बेल होने वाली है. बाकी के ये जो रह गए हैं we will do tomorrow. Is there any doubt to anyone? हाँ जी. और every living organism, her structure. Fruits are? Why fruits are not living? Fruits are the part of plant body. Plant body is living. ठीक है, उसके अंदर फूड होता है, वो देता है, देता है कि नहीं देता है? Then how can you say they are not living? Why not? Apple is very small in size. Later on it grows. How it grows? Color changes. उसमें फूड और उसमें इंटेक होती है, न्यूट्रिएंट्स जाते हैं, it grows in size. Right? कैसे पता चला? उसको लगा उसके इन्वायरमेंट में कुछ चेंज हो गया, कोई एयर कम हो गई, कोई शेडो आ रही है, देयर इज चेंज इन समथिंग, तो वो अपने आप को बचाने के लिए उड़ जाती है. दिस इज अगेन रिस्पॉन्स टू स्टिमुलस, राइट? Speak loudly. Okay, students, we will meet tomorrow.